Okay, good morning, students. The next problem, question number 3 is 3 charges each equal to plus 4 nanocoulomb are placed at 3 corners of a square of side 2 centimeter. Find the electric field at the fourth corner. Let us say B, C, D corner. Who is the fourth corner? Capital D will be the fourth corner. Okay, see this question carefully. Here QA is equal to QB is equal to QC. How much it is? Plus 4 nanocoulomb. Nano means 10 to the power of minus 9. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9. A, B, C, D are the 3 corners of a square. A, B, C are the first 3 corners. Capital D is the fourth corner. What are the sides? AD is equal to CD is equal to side. How much is the side they given? 2 centimeter. You know in square all the sides are equal. 2 centimeter we can write 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. What is the relationship between side and diagonal? From basic geometry. Diagonal is how many times of the side? Diagonal is root 2 times of the side. In basic geometry for a square, diagonal is how many times? Root 2 times of the side. What is diagonal here? BD is equal to root 2 into 2 centimeter. You can centimeter you can write 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. You see A, B, C, D is a square. A, B, C, D is a square. First 3 corners, how much is the charge placed? Plus 4 nanocoulomb charge is placed at corner A, B, C. What are the sides? AD is one side, another one is CD. These are the sides. And what is the name of the diagonal? Diagonal name is B to D. What is the name of the diagonal? Diagonal name is B to D. Our aim is to find out electric field at the fourth corner. हमारा aim क्या है? Electric field at point D calculate करना है. Our aim is to find out electric field at point D due to all 3 charges. So first you have to calculate electric field at D due to A, electric field at D due to B, electric field at D due to C. बाद में रिजल्टेंट लेना, that gives your answer. By using this basic formula, what is that basic formula? Electric field at a distance r from a point charge is E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. We derived in our usual class. Capital E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square is a formula name. Electric field at a point P at a distance r from the charge. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Let us go for case 1. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट डी ड्यू टू चार्ज एट ए. हमारे को ए पॉइंट डी क्यों ले रहे हैं? वाई वी आर टेकिंग डी? बिकॉज डी इज द फोर्थ कॉर्नर. डी इज द फोर्थ कॉर्नर, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग कैपिटल डी. कैपिटल डी में कौन सा भी चार्ज नहीं है. चार्जेस आर देयर ओनली एट ए, बी, सी. सो दैट्स वन. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट डी ड्यू टू द चार्ज एट ए इज E A is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q A divided by A D square. Q A divided by R square. What is R? R is the distance between charge to point D. How much is the distance? Charge A से D तक कितना distance है? 2 centimeter. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. That is what AD. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. यहाँ पे R बोले तो क्या है? Side. All the sides are equal. Let us take what is the value of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 to the power of 9. How much is QA? QA कितना है? 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9. How much is AD? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 2 centimeter we are writing like this because our calculation becomes easy. 2 centimeter को हम ऐसा लिखते हैं. Calculation क्या होते हैं? Easy होते हैं. Plus 9 minus 9 get cancel. 9 4s are 36 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. We are getting 9 into 10 to the power of plus 4 Newton per coulomb along. What is the direction of E? At point A, which charge is placed? Positive charge. Our aim is to calculate electric field at D due to charge at A. That's why the direction of electric field is outward. Direction of electric field is outward because we have positive charge. Outward means like this. This is the direction of EA along AD. ये हुआ EA. Similarly, how much is the electric field at D due to charge at C? Our aim is to calculate how much is electric field at D due to charge at C. What is the symbol? EC is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught QC divided by CD square. CD is also side. What is 9 into 10 to the power of 9? Same है कितना है 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by what is 2 centimeter 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. Now finally our answer is same 9 into 10 to the power of plus 4 Newton per coulomb along C is a positive charge. Direction of electric field is outward or towards. आउटवर्ड आते इनवर्ड आते पॉजिटिव चार्ज से आउटवर्ड आते बोले तो डायरेक्शन ऐसा है. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ EC. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ EC along CD. ऐसे पॉजिटिव चार्ज बोले तो CD along CD. Now ये हुआ EC हुआ. Now what is EB? What is EB? Electric field at point D due to a charge at placed at B. Electric field at D due to charge placed at D. What is BD? Here BD is side or diagonal? Here BD is not side, BD is diagonal. What is the diagonal relationship? Root 2 times of the side. In square, how many times of the diagonal? Diagonal is root 2 times the side. Geometry basic concept है. Diagonal कितना times of side रहते हैं? Root 2 times of side. By using Pythagoras theorem. EB is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught QB divided by BD square. Remember here BD is diagonal. What is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 to the power of 9. What is QB? Same है 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by what is BD? Here BD is how much? BD is how much? See, BD is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. Simplify करो 36 divided by 2 square 4 root 2 square 2. This is minus 4. 9 by 2 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb along. What is the direction? Which charge is placed at 4? which charge is placed at B? Plus 4. Plus 4 means direction is पॉजिटिव की तरफ आते हैं आउटवर्ड आते हैं. आउटवर्ड बोले तो B से D या D से B? B से D. ऐसा B से D along BD. This is what? Along BD. ये है EB. Now when you see this diagram, our aim is to calculate electric field at D due to all three charges. यहाँ पे ये है, EC है, EB है, 3 है. 3 से हम 1 बनाना. 3 से 1 बनाने से पहले first we have to take E and EC. We have to take resultant of E and EC. Let us see resultant of E and EC. Theta between EA and EC is 90 degree. E resultant is how much? E A square plus EC square. 90 degree. A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Cos 90 degree is 0. That's why the third term is 0. It is not necessary to write. What is EA square? EA square कितना है? 9 into 10 to the power of 4 whole square plus how much is EC? 9 into 10 to the power of 4 whole square. Now how much? 9 into 10 to the power of 4. 9 square plus 9 square 10 to the power of 4 whole square. Now outside 10 to the power of 4. 9 81 plus 81 how much? Root 162 into 10 to the power of 4. Now root 162. How much is the value of root 162? 162 root is 12.72 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. This is E resultant of EA and EC. तो ये क्या हुआ 12.72 रूट EA square plus EC square. It's not necessary to consider now E and EC because we taken together their resultant. That's what our final diagram. Now you see this final diagram. This is what our final diagram. Okay. Now, this resultant makes how many degree with EA and EC? 45 degree with EA, 45 degree with EC, because the magnitudes of EA and EC are same. 45 degree, 45 degree. This means it is lying bisect. It's lying exactly along the resultant of EA and EC and the direction of EB. Both are along a same direction. यहाँ पे resultant of EA और EC और EB दोनों क्या है सेम है along ए सेम डायरेक्शन रूट EA स्क्वायर प्लस रूट EC स्क्वायर और EA EC के रिजल्टेंट है और EB दोनों के डायरेक्शन क्या है सेम है तो हम EA EC दोनों अलग नहीं लिए उसका रिजल्टेंट लिए we never taken EA separately EC separately we taken the resultant this resultant and EB they lie along a same direction देखो यहाँ पे दोनों के डायरेक्शन सेम है that's why 12.72 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb and EB are along same directions. Therefore, what is our final answer? Electric field at the fourth corner means fourth corner. Who is fourth corner? That is capital D is equal to at capital D who are additive direction of resultant of E and EC and EB दोनों क्या है same है that's why shall we add plus yes 12.72 into 10 to the power of 4 plus EB 12.72 into 10 to the power of 4. How much is EB? EB already we calculated 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4. Let us see. 12.72 plus 4.5. We have 12.72 plus 4.5. We have 17.22 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. 17.22 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. 17.22 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. This is the final answer. Thus electric field at the fourth corner is 17.22 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. This is what our final answer. 17.22 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Okay. Here important thing is what is important thing? यहाँ पे important thing क्या है? ये आता है EC आता और ये EB है लेकिन ये EC का हम रिजल्टेंट लेना because we want single. That's why what is the resultant of E and EC? Root EA square plus EC square because the angle is 90 degree. This root EA square plus root EC square and EB direction क्या है? Same है and they act along a same line. That's why the resultant electric field at point D. Why we are taking D only? Because fourth corner they asked. The final answer देखो ये दोनों ऐड होते हैं 12.72 क्या है रिजल्टेंट है इसका वैल्यू कितना है हाउ मच इज दिस वैल्यू 12.72 into 10 to the power of 4 ये और EB वैल्यू क्या होते, ऐड होते, ऐड होके फाइनल आंसर हमारे को क्या देते, 17.22 इंटू 10⁴ न्यूटन पर कूलम इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट विच कॉर्नर, फोर्थ कॉर्नर. ओके, 17.22 इंटू 10⁴ न्यूटन पर कूलम. ओके, see. Okay, we will go for next numerical. You see it. Next question number 6. Morning already you got question paper of 6 question. This is 6th question based on Gauss third application. Application of Gauss law to determine the electric field for a spherical conductor. What is the question? A spherical conductor of radius 12 centimeter has a charge of 1.6 into 10⁻⁻7 coulomb distributed uniformly on its surface. What is the electric field? A, inside the sphere. B, just outside. Outside means on the surface. C, at a point 18 centimeter from the center of the sphere. A 18 centimeter lies outside. क्यों बोले तो 12 centimeter radius है, 18 सेंटीमीटर बोले तो ज़्यादा है, तो सर पॉइंट क्या है, आउटसाइड है. एट ए पॉइंट 18 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द स्फीयर. डेफिनेटली दिस पॉइंट लाइज आउटसाइड. ये क्या है, इनसाइड है. बी क्या, जस्ट आउटसाइड. जस्ट आउटसाइड बोले तो वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू द सरफेस, बोले तो ऑन द सरफेस लेना. सी 18 सेंटीमीटर बोले तो बाहर है, वो सरफेस से बाहर है. कितना दूर, 18 सेंटीमीटर. लेट अस सी. सॉल्यूशन. Radius 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 12 into 10⁻⁻2 meter. Charge Q 1.6 into 10⁻⁻7 coulomb. Case A, inside the sphere. Inside the sphere. And you know charges always reside outside. Charges always reside outside. No charge will reside inside. That's why Q value is 0 and hence E value is also 0. What is the formula? You know, by applying Gauss law, we discussed one formula. E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. जब Q ही 0 बोले तो E वैल्यू भी क्या रहता है, 0. जब Q वैल्यू 0 रहे तो E वैल्यू भी 0 रहता है. You can see this diagram. Always charges are distributed outside. O is the center of sphere. How much is radius? 12 centimeter. Charges always reside outside. No charge will be there inside. When Q value is 0, E value is also 0. This formula we derived in application of Gauss law. That's why case A answer, inside the sphere E value is 0 since Q value is 0. Let us go to case B, just outside the sphere. Just outside, उसको लग के just outside बोलो तो यहाँ पे, ये पॉइंट P यहाँ पे. just outside, outside बोलो तो just उसको लग के है. ये स्फीयर है, आउटसाइड. जस्ट आउटसाइड बोले तो उसको लग के, बोले तो ऑन द स्फीयर ही लेना. क्या लेना, ऑन द स्फीयर ही लेना. लेट अस सी. just outside the sphere, that is on the surface of sphere. ये है पॉइंट P. क्या है, ये just outside बोले तो ये आता. ये क्या है, 12 सेंटीमीटर. दिस मीन्स our small r is equal to capital R. Small r is the distance, capital R is the radius. Small r is approximately capital R. Small r is approximately capital R. How much? 12 centimeter. You can write 10⁻⁻2 meter. The value of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. 9 into 10⁻⁹. How much is charge? Q. Q कितना है? 1.6 into 10⁻⁻7 divided by R value 12 into 10⁻⁻2 whole square. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 into 1.6. 9 into 1.6, 14.4. 12 square, 144. Divided by minus 2 square, minus 4. Plus 2, minus 4. This plus 2, minus 4 shifts to numerator. Plus 4. Plus 4 means, yeah. 14.4 divided by 144. 0.1. 0.1. ये 10⁻⁴ into 2, 6. That is 10⁵ Newton per coulomb. This much is the electric field just outside the sphere. कितना है just outside the sphere? 10⁵ Newton per coulomb. Just outside the sphere. Let us go to case C. Case C क्या है? C. What is C? At at a point 18 centimeter, at R is equal to 18 centimeter. At R is equal to 18. This 18 is lies outside because 18 is more than 12. ये 12 से 18 बोले तो बाहर 6 सेंटीमीटर इधर, पॉइंट पी किधर हो गया, इधर हो गया. वो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना है, 18 सेंटीमीटर. दैट्स व्हाई दिस P इज इनसाइड और आउटसाइड. ये P इनसाइड है आउटसाइड है, यहाँ पे आ गए 18 centimeter. That's why P is outside. Yes, what is the formula? E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by small r square. What is the value of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 to the power of 9. How much is Q? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. How much is small r? 18 minus 2 whole square. Now 9 into 1.6, 14.4, plus 9 minus 7, 2, divided by minus 4. What is 18 square? 18 square is 324. 324. Now, (14.4) into plus 2, this is plus 4 divided by 324. How much is 14.4 divided by 324? 14.4 divided by 324 is 0.044. 0.044 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 4. How much is this? 0.044 into 10 to the power of 2, 4.44. 4.44, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होके कितने होते हैं, 0.044 into 100, 4.44 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb is the value of electric field at a point 18 centimeter from the center of the sphere. O से 18 सेंटीमीटर दूर है, पॉइंट P में कितना वैल्यू है, स्पीयर में सेंटर से देखिए पॉइंट P 18 सेंटीमीटर दूर, वैल्यू कितना है, 4.44 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. We solved A, B, C. Overall we solved how many cases? Overall we solved how many cases? 3 cases. See it. This is one of the application of Gauss law. This is one of the application of Gauss law. A answer is 0. B answer is, how much is B? 10 to the power of 5 Newton per coulomb. And what is C answer? 4.44 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. 4.44 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Okay. Okay, students, what you are doing, daily videos you are not watching. Daily videos you are not watching up to date. अगर डेली आप वॉच करें तो अप टू डेट होते हैं. मैं भेज रहे वही पेंडिंग दिख रही है सर. डेली वॉच करो आप. आफ्टरनून क्लास कैसा टाइम एडजस्ट करते देखो, 3 o'clock एडजस्ट करो ना तो मॉर्निंग सेशन एडजस्ट करो. वो वीडियोस आप अप टू डेट नहीं करें. अप टू डेट वीडियोस रहे तो अच्छे रहते. आपको ये सिलेबस जो है, प्रॉब्लम्स जो है कनेक्ट होते हैं. सेपरेट नोटबुक मेंटेन करो और प्रॉब्लम के लिए और लिस्ट ऑफ फार्मूले लिखो और सीक्वेंस मेंटेन करना. वीडियोस के सीक्वेंस मेंटेन करना. और प्रॉब्लम्स में भेज रूँ, क्वेश्चन पेपर मैं भी भेज रहा हूँ. 6 प्रॉब्लम्स है, नेक्स्ट और एक भेजते. डेली वीडियोस यू वॉच इट. पेंडिंग रह रहे आपको क्या है, कैसे भी रिकॉर्डिंग है और आपको यूट्यूब में मिलते बोल के आप क्या कर रहे हैं, पेंडिंग रख रहे हैं. डे टू डे यू सी द वीडियोस, देन ओनली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द न्यूमेरिकल्स. डे टू डे अप टू डेट रहना. अप टू डेट रहना. वैसे ही मोबाइल में रहे तो नहीं है, आप वर्क करो उसमें. ओके, थैंक यू.